Hi guys, good morning. So we're here with Baby River. Hello Baby River. Good morning. We don't have any Yaya today. So no Yaya, no problem. Kasi si John ang gumagawa ng lahat ng trabaho ni Yaya. We're so lucky. Pero anyways, yeah, let's just vlog today without a Yaya. Let's see what happens. And let's do this. Let's do this! He's learning na how to crawl. Oh, good job! Galing! So, today I wanted to open this up. This baby bullet na binigay ng ninang niya. And he wanted to use this na. Kasi River starts eating na today. So, buksan natin siya. Prepare his food properly. We tried baby-led weaning pero we failed. So, River doesn't know how to pick up food pa. So, we're gonna use this muna for the meantime. Higa ikaw? So this is what's inside the baby bullet. Yeah. And this one, and the recipe. That's it. So this is the baby bullet product. This has 2 food processors, isang malaki tsaka isang maliit. Ito yung ikakabit dun sa maliit. And right now, I'm just gonna make a papaya puree for River mixed with my breast milk para sa kanyang lunch. Okay, so now we're going to feed little River with his little baby bullet puree. Yan. While Dada is vacuuming the room, you can hear him right now. Nagva-vacuum siya sa kwarto. Dada is cleaning the house and vacuuming the room while Mama is taking care of baby River. Okay, so let's start na. Wala pa nga. Ay. Wala pa nga eh. Oo nga, no? Fish, Mama. Kiss Mama? Yun yung kiss mo? Hello guys. Hindi na ako kanina vlog. Pero ngayon, it's about 12:30 na ng midnight. bago ako natulog, nagtupi ako ng mga damit, and then prepare ko tong food ni River. Nag-batch prepare ako ng kanyang squash. Binoil ko lang siya, tapos minash ko siya. And then, like, manually mash lang. Hindi ko na siya ginamit ng baby bullet. Tapos, nilagay ko na siya sa mga small containers like this one. Kasi ang cute nila, diba? Tapos, ayun, I'm about to go to sleep na rin. So, yeah. Ito ang ating, real life na isang mom na no yaya, no problem. That's it for the vlog today. Thank you for watching, and pasensya na medyo random lang. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!